I actually started out as a summer analyst, which is an intern for the HR department. I was there over the summer and then was there over the winter as well. And I just really liked the career opportunities that D&B had to offer, and I was really excited about the teamwork culture that really does exist, so I chose to come back and take a full-time position.
I actually just joined D&B about 5 months ago, in January, start of the new year. I was really interested in getting into a new company, a company that I knew was just starting a marketing program and where it would be a great place for me to come and get a new career and see what kind of opportunities they would have. And I mean, I came and there's so much opportunity here.
The reason I wanted to come work at D&B is I was a customer of D&B's for more than 15 years, so I'm very familiar with all the different D&B data sets and services and integrating it into customers' applications. But by working with that data, I knew there were better things that we could do with D&B data. So I decided to come here and take all that knowledge of customer integration and customer data management and bring it here to D&B.
D&B is a great place to work. I've been here many, many years, and I've had the opportunity to learn and grow and develop at D&B. When people join, many times you'll see in 2 to 3 years, they'll move to a whole different team. They develop a set of skills that are transferable from one team to the next, and this is something that really, really helps team members grow and develop.
There's so much to learn about D&B, all the different parts and pieces and teams. You can almost go and work anywhere in the organization and learn something different about D&B. But the reality is, no matter what you do, whatever part of the factory at D&B that you work in, you know you're contributing to something that is actually adding value for both sales teams to go to customers, adding value to customers who use our data. So I just see a lot of opportunity. I mean, where I am today and where I was 2 years ago, I was on a totally different product, and now I'm on a really innovative product called Data as a Service. But there's 4 or 5 other opportunities in the company. Work in the iLab, do something innovative. Work on the risk team, do something around credit risk or credit metrics or even credit analytics. Go work with Paul Ballou's team, and you can learn about data ops and how they're going to upgrade Duns Right and get the new supply chain in. So there's a ton of opportunity within the organization to contribute, if you will, to the broader picture that D&B is trying to provide.
I've been extremely fortunate. I was hired as a customer service representative years ago, and through my career here, I probably have had 15 or more different positions at D&B, working in various locations, different states, supporting Asia Pacific, Latin America, and also now North America.
When you look at all the different jobs and the different places in D&B you work, there's plenty of opportunity for you as an individual to come in and contribute and learn and grow. D&B is just one of those places where there's so much opportunity. Don't know why you wouldn't want to work here.